Hi, I'm Brian Iversen. This Octagon assembly is called the MSS assembly. This MSS assembly generates up to 200 watts of power on a winter day in Charlotte. That's when the UV factor of the light is less than 2, and we're talking less than 6 hours of sunshine on a winter day in Charlotte. The measurements are 34 inches across and 29 inches top to bottom. This unit wraps around the pole 360 degrees and can generate up to 10% power in a pouring rainstorm. As you can see, the solar power is also low glare and impact resistant. These solar panels have internal electronics that bypass the damaged side, which means the panels can be shot at and still work. You can gain access to the inside of the MSS assembly by removing the bolts on this bar. And we have a living hinge that opens up to gain access to the battery, the controls, and everything else inside here. I'm going to remove the top to give you a better idea of the room that we have. This area here is free of sleet, snow, and rain. It is weather resistant. It contains the batteries, the MPPT charge control for the 2 solar panels. We have the plate on the bottom that splits and goes around the pole, so I don't have to slide it along the top. It keeps the squirrels and the birds from nesting behind the solar panel here. The MSS assembly, we use 15 of these assemblies to generate up to 3,000 watts of power in a 36-inch diameter space on the ground. This has never been done before. Our MSS assembly can be removed out of the ground and easily disassembled and transported to another location in which you can reassemble and maintain your return on investment. Multiple MSS assemblies on a 36-foot tall pole can provide enough power for a solar powered charging station for electric vehicles. We provide multiple one-of-a-kind features to create the most innovative solar power solution for electric vehicle charging stations. We expect to have a mobile unit at the end of the year, which you can tow behind your electric vehicle. We are creating remote solar power solutions for charging vehicles, and it all starts here with the MSS assembly.